I help you
That's
real
because
quick?
it looks like you have a gun inside your pocket.
Oh, no.
Step off the bike, please.
Yes, sir.
Put
Yes,
your
sir.
hands back. He's gonna talk to you, okay?
Shots fired! Officer needs help!
This villain was exposed after a routine stop escalated into gunfire.
Step off the bike.
Can I help you? I'm on my way to work right here at the recycling center. Can I help you
That's
real
because
quick?
it looks like you have a gun inside your pocket.
Oh, no.
You need a bike plan, or you need brakes on the bike also.
Serious?
Yeah, so just hop off really quick, man. We'll get you out of here.
But for real, I've been riding like this shit all night.
You need brakes, bro. Just
All
hop out really
night.
quick. We'll get you out of here.
Look, I'm going right there.
Step
You guys
off
can
the
come
bike,
with me?
please. Step off the bike, please.
Yes, sir.
And then face away. Put your
Yes,
hands
sir.
over back. Shit! Fuck! Shit! Shots fired, officer needs help. He's gonna talk to you, okay? I got it. Oh shit! Fuck! Shots fired, officer needs help!
The suspect suddenly fled the stop and opened fire on officers. One officer was struck in the leg during the exchange. The suspect was not hit, but his weapon malfunctioned, and he discarded it while continuing to flee on foot.
Hey! I'm gonna fucking shoot you! I'm gonna fucking shoot you, dude! Male Hispanic running southbound. Hey, right here. I'm gonna fucking shoot you, dude! Get the hell out! I got it.
The suspect sustained minor injuries and was treated before being taken into custody. A handgun was recovered and booked as evidence. An officer injured by gunfire was transported to the hospital and is expected to recover. The suspect now faces multiple felony charges, including attempted murder of a peace officer.
Have footage or a story the world should see? Share it with us. Have a tip or insight? Drop it in the comments. Every detail matters.